Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious avocado milk. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, about 1 cup of your preferred milk, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener, like honey or maple syrup. Make sure your avocado is perfectly ripe for the best creamy texture. We'll also need a good blender to bring everything together smoothly. Now, let's prepare our main ingredient. Take your ripe avocado and carefully slice it in half, working around the large pit. Gently twist the halves apart, then remove the pit. Using a spoon, scoop all the vibrant green flesh directly into your blender. Next, pour in about 1 cup of your preferred milk, whether it's dairy, almond, or oat milk. It's time to add some sweetness. Spoon 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener, such as honey, agave, or sugar, into the blender with the avocado and milk. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed for approximately 60 seconds. You want a perfectly smooth, creamy consistency with no lumps. Give it a quick taste and feel free to add more sweetener or a splash more milk if needed. Your delicious avocado milk is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into a chilled glass right away for the best experience. For a touch of elegance, you can garnish it with a light sprinkle of cinnamon or a fresh mint leaf. If you have any left over, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. It's a wonderfully refreshing and nutritious treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.